Hi guys, I thought I would pop in really quick and do a little bit of an Apple Watch Series 7 unboxing. So I recorded the footage of the unboxing yesterday. UPS came pretty late that night, around close to 8 o'clock, and I was starting to get worried. But that's why I'm filming the intro today. But I hope you enjoy the unboxing for the Apple Watch Series 7. Let me know in the comments below what you thought. So here we go. So this is the Apple Watch Series 7 unboxing. So here's the box. We open it up. This is the packaging it comes in. You open up the packaging and you see the watch and the paperwork that goes with it, as well as the cords, charging cord, so forth, and the extra strap. And mine came with this gray one for the 41-inch. And then here is the setup. And mine was low battery, so I had to connect it to the charger so I could continue the setup. I chose English. This is where you choose your language and your region. I chose United States. And then it asked to open up the Apple Watch on your phone, and then you pair your phone with this. You line it up on this image so that it can pair. And then once it's done pairing, or while it's pairing, it's giving you the warranty information, terms and conditions, paperwork from Apple. Then it shows you the status on your watch being paired, Apple Watch analytics. And then here it tells you what kind of text and size do you want. I chose bold and I went as big as I could without it really messing up the writing on my phone. On my watch. So here you see the process of it pairing. So once it's done, it'll tell you update complete. Your Apple ID information is used to enable Apple services. So here it tells you how your data is managed. You can click OK. And there you go. The Apple Watch has been set up. So if you like this, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like to see these unboxings, let me know.